Hey everyone, in this lesson I'm gonna show you 7 cool tricks for the A chord. You can encounter this chord in almost every song, and if you know nothing but basic A major or A minor shape, I'm gonna show you how to spice things up. And now let me jam for a little bit and you're gonna hear some of these tricks. Well, as you can see, you don't really need anything else. You can come up with million different songs, riffs, etc. just using this basic chord. And now let's get to it. Okay, before I show you some tricks, don't forget that when we play the A chord, it doesn't matter if it's major or minor, we mute the low E string. Because some people play it like this, and this is just not it. Now, the easiest thing you can do here is move your pinky. Here's your sus4 chord, lift it, sus2, and you can just play with, major, sus4, sus2. Classic. And you can go one step further and lift your ring finger. And this is what you get. Sounds beautiful. It works great with the sus chords like. Keep this in mind. Now, if you're used to playing the A chord like this, learn how to play it with your index finger, with this little bar, and don't worry about your high E string. If it's muted, nothing bad about it. It's okay. And now, when we play the A chord like this, there are 100 different things we can do here. Here's the famous Keith Richards shape. It's called A6 sus4 chord. Yeah, here's our sus4, and use your ring finger on the fret 4 of the D. A lot of rock songs, rock and roll songs, like southern rock, country rock, use this chord in their riffs, like. It sounds awesome. A lot of Rolling Stones riffs are based on these two shapes, so yeah, have fun. Now, since we're playing some rock and roll stuff here, of course, if you play this power chord without the B string, you can use your ring finger to just play the D string and you get our basic blues rock riff. And if you play fret 3 and 4 on the A, you can come up with even more cool stuff like. And this is classic move. 3rd fret open string on the A string, 3rd fret on the low E, and especially if you bend it a little bit, it sounds awesome. So yeah, combine all these ideas. And have fun. And if you play the minor chord, it works great too. Now, going back to this shape, here's a little scale here. You can play 5-3 on the high E, 5-3 on the B, 4-2, 4-2 on the G and the D strings. And you can come up with a lot of cool riffs and even solos here. Have fun. However, you can use all these chords, all these shapes separately, like this is its so-called long A chord. If you want this high E string ringing, you can play it just like this. This is A7 shape, you know, it's used in blues a lot. Not only in blues, but you get the point. This is just a basic A major. It just sounds a little different. A sus4, you know it, and so on and so forth. And don't forget about these hammer-ons. It sounds awesome when you're playing the A chord. It doesn't matter. You can be playing major chord and... But however, when you're playing A minor chord, it works best like... And before we continue, I know that a lot of people have troubles with changing chords on time because, yeah, I know it's awesome playing just one chord. However, it's nice to play something else, like A chord works great with the G and with the D. And if you are struggling playing like this, if you have trouble switching from A to G seamlessly and from G to D, if you are not satisfied with how you sound, if there are pauses, if there's some dirt when you're changing chords, I got a solution for you. Check out our course, How to Play Chords Without Pauses and Buzzing. I guarantee that it contains the solution to all these problems. After completing it, you will be able to play any song on acoustic guitar, you know, without thinking about these things and just playing and enjoying yourself. Check the link in the description or scan this QR code to get this course at a discounted price, and let's get on with the show. And one more nice trick here. You got another scale here. It's like 2-4, 2-4, 2-4 on the A, D and G strings. You can strum the chord and come up with some Hendrix-like riffs like... Alright, now that you know all this stuff, don't overuse it, don't overdo it. Don't forget, these are just spices, not the main course. Alright, if you're struggling with changing chords on time and with your strumming, then don't forget to check out our course. And if you want to learn even more cool tricks for acoustic guitar, check this video out.